I'm John Popovich. Docking the D is on location today, about 7,000 miles away from Detroit. It's now docking the B. We're in Beijing at the Anjin Hospital, one of the biggest cardiovascular hospitals in the world. Come on and join me. Take a look at this place. We went to China on an exploratory visit to see potential opportunities for Henry Ford Hospital and Henry Ford Health System to create partnerships with existing healthcare facilities and interested healthcare personnel within the country. The tour of the hospital was facilitated by the two physicians who led the hospital. This hospital had an orientation in cardiovascular medicine, so both of these physicians were cardiologists in their training. One in particular, who was head of interventional cardiology, was trained in Australia and was quite well versed with American medicine. I think what was the most incredible part of going to China is seeing for yourself the vast number of people and the vast building that has occurred within the cities in China. You can read about the number of people, you can kind of intellectualize it, but actually seeing that in present, people going about their daily lives, and also just the remarkable number of buildings, apartment buildings, and such is something that you really have to have firsthand visual experience to understand. All right, well, you can see I'm back in the D. Actually made a whirlwind tour from a Monday morning flight out to Shanghai to a flight on Friday to Narita, Tokyo, and then subsequently back to the D, with one or two intermediate stops, one in Wuxi, west of Shanghai, and then as much of the footage shows, the dock was in the B, or Beijing. So it's great to be back. I have to say that it's a fascinating blend of what we do at the high end in many of the hospitals, but not like we do it here. The teams of individuals who practice here are well beyond, I think, the capabilities that except for the very top level hospitals in China can provide. So it's great to be here, and quite honestly, the air quality in Detroit, which is oftentimes talked about, is way better than Beijing. So thanks from Doc and the D.